If you need to pause your notifications on Slack, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it and how to even schedule pause notifications for the future. So let's dive in. So if you need to pause those notifications for whatever reason, you can go down to the left-hand side. You'll see your profile picture. You're going to tap on that and you're going to go and look for pause notifications. Now you can pause your notifications right now for anything from 30 minutes all the way up. And you can even set custom time to pause those notifications. Now, if you would like to, let's say, pause it for 1 hour, it is now currently paused. You'll see the little snooze icon next to your profile picture. You can cancel that by just going over to pause notifications again, and you can just click on resume notifications. You can also adjust your time. Let's go back into our profile picture and we're going to look for preferences, and right over here you're going to get notifications in this bar on the left, and right in here you are going to scroll down in the middle section and you'll see notification style, and here you can set a default time as well as your notifications time, where you can customize those notification pauses.